Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Yahoo Mail is not receiving emails. Now, there are a couple of ways or a couple of things why this is happening, and we're going to run through some of the most common ones. Now, first things first, we're going to go ahead and just open our spam right here. So basically what happens are some emails, especially if they're new, would usually go to straight to your spam, especially if there isn't a lot of details in the email. Another thing that could happen is that some email or one email may have been marked as spam. So that could happen. And when that happens, what it does is every time you have a new email coming from that same person, they're just going to straight to the spam. So yeah, that's a terrible thing. So again, ensure that this is marked as not spam. Now, the second thing that we are going to do is head over here to more settings, and then we're going to go over and click filters. Now, you can actually add filters here and have an action like just go or have it straight to, let's say, trash or spam. So there's also that kind of situation. If there is none here, for example, in my case, what you can do is head over to security and privacy. You may have blocked that particular person so that you are not receiving emails from them. So I could go ahead and click this one, click the block sender right here, click block. And so what it does is that if I am going to open my settings, click the security and privacy, you're going to see that the email is now here. So ensure that that is not the case. I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. Now, another thing is this one. Go ahead and click the mailbox list, and then see your email right here. Ensure that the reply to address here is your email. So go ahead and add it just like so, and then click save. Again, everybody, those are the ways in order for us to try and fix this one. Hopefully one of them works for you.